Hi, welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace cabin air filter on 2008 Honda Ridgeline. Like on the most vehicles, cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. First step is to partially remove glove box so you can access the back of it where is a cabin air filter located. So after you open your glove box, you have two tabs on each side. So first you want to remove those tabs, and I'm gonna zoom it here. Like each tab has two notches which you can press it from both sides. Let's see if I can do it with one hand, and they will just pop out pretty much. Once those are pushed in, then you can just grab it and you can twist it, kind of pull it out and twist it at the same time. You want to lift up a little bit and basically just remove it. So it's the same procedure for the other one. After removing of these two tabs, next step is to unscrew this little screw. You don't have to remove it all the way, you just need to untie it a bit so you can remove this clip here. Now at this point you have access to cabin air filter location. So it's located right behind that plastic piece. So that plastic piece on each side has a tab that you simply just need to press in both sides and pull out the tray for the cabin air filter. After you install your new cabin air filter in the tray, you want to just push it back in the slot. Make sure when you push it in that it clicks. That means it's secured. And now you can put everything back together. And that's all done. Thank you for watching this video, and if you find it helpful, please consider subscribing and like. Thank you so much.